For more than 4 decades, the Windsor Assembly Plant has been at the heart of Chrysler's minivan story. This week, Stellantis celebrated another major milestone as production officially began for the refreshed 2027 Chrysler Pacifica. The occasion was marked with a special event on the plant floor, bringing together employees, company executives, and union leaders to recognize the achievement and the people who made it possible. The launch of a new vehicle is always an important moment for an automaker, but this celebration carried extra meaning. The Pacifica remains Chrysler's flagship model and one of the most recognizable family vehicles in North America. As the company looks toward the future, the refreshed Pacifica is expected to play a key role in keeping Chrysler competitive in a market that continues to evolve. Workers gathered inside the Windsor Assembly Plant as Stellantis executives thanked employees for their dedication and commitment. The atmosphere was filled with pride as team members reflected on the plant's long history of producing vehicles that have helped define the modern minivan segment. Windsor has been building Chrysler minivans since 1983, making it one of the most important manufacturing facilities in the company's history. Over the years, millions of minivans have rolled off its assembly lines, carrying families across the United States, Canada, and many other markets around the world. The start of production for the 2027 Pacifica represents another chapter in that legacy. Company leaders emphasized that the refreshed Pacifica combines familiar strengths with meaningful improvements. Families continue to demand practicality, comfort, and versatility, and Chrysler believes the updated model delivers all three while introducing a more modern appearance and additional technology. One of the most noticeable changes is the redesigned front end. The 2027 Pacifica adopts a more sophisticated look with new vertical light signatures and a refreshed grille design that incorporates Chrysler's illuminated branding. The updates give the minivan a more premium presence while maintaining the recognizable shape that Pacifica buyers appreciate.
We're super excited to be here today to celebrate the start of production for the 27 model year Pacifica with a fresh new look, some great new technology, and still the only vehicle in the industry with second and third row stow and go seating. You know, I'm so excited to be here because this plant is celebrating 100 years and over 12 million minivans have come through this plant of the over 16 million we've produced in the last 43 years. This is a segment that we created. This is still America's best-selling and most awarded minivan. It has the most standard safety and security features, and it is absolutely a vehicle that continues to dominate the industry and make families happy and excited to spend time together. I would like to thank everybody here at Windsor Assembly Plant for everything they do to make the Chrysler Pacifica the most awarded minivan in North America, and they also produce the North American Car of the Year, the Dodge Charger. The multiple generation of families that are working together here at this plant to produce the quality that rolls off the line is absolutely incredible. Thank you to all of you and to the partnership with Unifor. You know, after 43 years, the minivan, the segment that we invented, we still dominate it. The Pacifica is America's most awarded and best-selling minivan, has the most standard safety and security features, and is flat out offers things that nobody else can do in the industry.
Well, it's super important for so many reasons. The first one being that we're coming with an awesome refresh product, the model year 2027 Pacifica, which comes with a great new external design, great new tech packaging, and an even better price here in Canada. So for over 40 years, we've been producing minivans right here. Over 16 million sold internationally, over 12 million minivans produced here. And of the Pacifica, over the last decade, more than 1 million vans have been produced in this plant right here. So thank you. You've been a big contributor to our business and an absolute gem in terms of making quality products that consumers around the world have loved.
We've been building a minivan for 43 years. Not only have we built it, we created it. We've launched it, and we've been polishing it ever since. And our main focus is quality and producing exceptional products for our customer. The workforce here at Windsor Assembly Plant is exceptional. They're reliable, their teamwork, and their passion is second to none. They use their hands, their heart, and their head to produce quality every day. They come here and they make sure we deliver product to our customer.